Hey folks, this is Anish Prasanna here with Databricks, and I wanted to share a super neat feature that just released out a few days ago. This new feature is called Genie Tasks, and I'm sure most of you are already familiar with Genie. But if not, Genie is a way to use natural language in order to extract insights from your structured data. It's totally no code and produces the underlying SQL code all automatically, which makes it very, very easy on everyone's lives. Now, with Genie tasks, what you can actually do is help schedule the use of Genie against your structured data, either through your Unity Catalog Delta tables or Unity Catalog Iceberg tables to identify and extract any additional insights. So one of the most common and obvious use cases is for technical reasons. So if your data is constantly getting refreshed, this totally makes sense. And so for instance, I have a pipeline here that appends 1,000 new records of enrollment data. And essentially, we have a bronze layer that takes in the raw events and a silver layer that takes, which is a bit more cleaned up. And what we want to do here is essentially query this all through Genie. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to prompt Genie by going over to Genie over here, and I'll fire off this query that says, schedule a task every hour starting at 7:33 p.m. EST to tell me which states had the most plan switches. Now, what this is going to do is this is going to send out the SQL. It's going to figure out my entire data as state, check out our Genie spaces that already exist, run some additional SQL commands, and then set up the scheduler. Now, while this thing is running, I can think of a few other additional use cases that this could be potentially helpful for. One off the top of my head is with data asset permissions. I know oftentimes people will have, a catalog, a schema, a table, and they're not going to know if the permissions have been changed on any given day because they'll presumably be part of a group. So if we want to have Genie proactively send over how the permissions have been changed, that's one potential use case. Additionally, for things like tagging, if we want to figure out any additional tags, that potentially could make sense as well. So there's a lot of value in this Genie task functionality, and I'm sure once you all are using it, you're going to find out even more and more stuff. So let's see what this thing just did. So it says, there's a thought process which we can read out. Looks like it provided the chain of thought successfully. It says we've scheduled the top states by plan switches on an hourly mechanism. A recurring task has been created, and it'll run every single hour at 33 minutes past the hour. Now, you can see this little box has popped up. This is the scheduling plan. And if we click on the pencil, what you can see is that it's given us a title and instructions. And the instructions are a lot more specific than what we've provided because it's figured out and analyzed your data estate. Now, the other thing that you'll notice is that there's a little bit of a button here. This allows us to turn the schedule on and off as needed. And in addition to that, you can actually see that it's provided some sources here as well. It looks like it's provided the underlying table that it's identified. So if for whatever reason it's a different table, you can kind of prompt it and nudge it in the right direction. Provided us with the different states here. So it says California leads with the 844 plan switches, followed by Florida and Texas. And it's given us a nice visualization as well as the table. So it looks like we're just about time here at 7:32 p.m. So what we'll do here is switch over to my email. And I'll pause the video right here and we'll come back at 7:33 when this thing's up. Okay, so it looks like it sent out right at 7:33. Took about a few seconds. We got the new email. It says that the top 10 states by plan switches are California, Florida, Texas, New York, Pennsylvania, Ohio, Michigan, Illinois, North Carolina, and New Jersey. And it also gives us a link back to the chat. We can click on that and we can now prompt it as if we never left, honestly. So just to recap what we just saw, there's a new release called Genie Tasks. We're able to now schedule Genie to query and prompt against our entire data estate in real time. So super neat stuff. And let me know if you find any other additional use cases that seem interesting. Really excited to hear what you guys find. So we'll catch you all later in the next episode.